Yes, and here is that machine that dries the tomatoes so that they can be powdered. Is the duty of this machine is just to dry tomatoes. It can dry, like this one is small one, it can dry like 5 tomatoes a day. It takes a day and a night. It can dry like 5 tomatoes. Then you see how slow it is, but in order to add more we will need to create more. So yes, this is one of the that processes of making the tomato soup, powdered soup. So now these tomatoes are dry now, you see, they are dry now. They will be easily grinded into powder and easily, you see, it's just a traditional way, the way we used to dry meat. It's a traditional way, we use the traditional way. Yes, so yeah, those are the classes that we teach. Those are the programs in our class. You see, when we are processing the whole process from the beginning, so you will learn what we have coated this tomato with, what we have mixed with chemicals and stuff, what we pour down there in that plate down there. So you see, you will learn all those things, and what we mix after grinding, how we grind, how we mix them, and what we mix them with. You will learn all those sort of things, you see.